Happy Friday! So it's 9 o'clock on Friday, and I have a doctor's appointment. I already went to the gym. Sorry, Winnie's drinking her water, being adorable. Winnie's gonna go to daycare today. Winnie, are you gonna go to daycare and play with your friends? Yes, she is. She wants to go out. She actually was just out. Yeah, that's your little jacket. You're gonna go to daycare? You're gonna go play? So gorgeous. I have a doctor's appointment today at 11:30, and I'm gonna bring Winnie to daycare since it's kind of on the way, and then I have to clean because the house, like, I don't know what happens. Like, it's literally only Mike and I, and obviously Winnie, and I just feel like it's probably me. Like, I get everything everywhere, but I always am like, well, I'm the only one that cleans, so I should do this. So anyways, I need to kind of like clean the house. I need to get my makeup kit ready for tomorrow because I have a wedding, and I thought I would just like vlog. It will be a little productive. I'm gonna have a protein donut, which I will show you. They are so good. I've ordered from this woman before. She makes them all herself. I think actually she maybe it's like her and her husband, but they only deliver in New Jersey, actually only 2 counties, but let me show you. So I think I'm gonna have the Oreo one. I've had this one before and it's really good. And then this one's like a chocolate banana base, and then there is a vanilla banana, raspberry, blueberry. I'm not crazy about raspberry, so that's like not my favorite. This one's the donut of the month, which is s'mores. There is I think a banana walnut and a pumpkin spice, and then I had the chocolate coconut one yesterday. I'm just gonna eat the chocolate Oreo one now. Let me just grab a paper towel. And I got my basic bitch vanilla sweet cream cold brew. So this is really good. It's like a chocolate based protein and then Oreo pieces. I have to do some cleaning today, get my makeup kit ready. I have the sheets and everything in the wash as of right now. So then when I come home to clean and get my kit ready, I can just put those in the dryer. So let's put away laundry. I took off today because my doctor's appointment is it's about 30 to 40 minutes away, and it's like smack in the middle of the day. So I was like, why go to work? I also still have to post my vlog from last week. So if you're seeing that vlog, I'm gonna post it tonight because I just don't know if it's very good, but you know, you guys can obviously will let me know. So I'm just gonna eat this donut and I'm gonna get Winnie all ready, and then we're gonna go bring her to daycare so we can head to the doctor. Long-winded. So it's 3 o'clock. I just got home. My appointment for the doctor was at 11:30. I wind up getting there an hour early in Lauren fashion because I guess I was nervous. It was only my second time being there, going to this doctor. So I wasn't sure. I was like, oh, I don't want to be late. I don't know if there's going to be traffic, you know, all the craziness that I think about. And I get there an hour early and I was like, well, maybe if anything, they could just take me a little bit early, whatever. Obviously not, because it was thriving. And then sorry, I'm getting ice. And then they took me an hour late, or actually a little bit over an hour late. So, sorry, I'm filling up my water. So yeah, I didn't get seen until a little bit after 12:30. So, and then it took me a little bit to get home, and I stopped at Panera to get something to eat because I was debating back and forth. I was do I get lunch? I'm it's late already, whatever. So I had to stop at Ulta anyway because I needed to get lashes, which they didn't have them at Target because I would have just got them at Target. But I need to get lashes for my kit for tomorrow. So I was whatever, I'll just go to Panera and I'll just get a sandwich, something to eat. So I did that, and now I'm home. I just put the sheets in the dryer. I put Winnie's blankets in the wash. So I don't think it's gonna be as productive as a cleaning day that I thought I was gonna have, because I thought I was gonna at least be seen at 11:30, be home by 12:30, 1 o'clock, but now it's 3 o'clock. So we'll see. mopping so hard. Came apart. I have to just fix that real quick. So it's always a little dark in this room because I have no lighting, as I always say. I just kind of like sanitized my kit and refilled a few foundations, but I'm gonna replace my Hourglass primer. So I just got this in the mail. I do have like a little bit left in here, but I think I might just save this for myself, or I'm gonna just try and depot. I really should just straight up depot this because it's pretty heavy and it's glass and I'm always nervous it's gonna break. So I'm just putting that into this is my little container that I have for like all my like skin prep and everything. So I have like skin prep and then, you know, like primers in here. But I mean, like, not that a lot of people care. Just wiping it down with, you know, like an alcohol wipe. And then also I just got these today from Ulta. These are the First Aid Beauty facial radiant pads. I should have honestly got the Sephora ones because they're significantly cheaper and I hear they're pretty much the same thing. But I totally forgot and I was like, you know what, let me get some of these, because if people have like a lot of stuff on their skin as far as like dead skin and stuff like that, it's really hard to do makeup on that because it literally is texture and it's just going to enhance all that. So then in the top here, I want to switch out, let me see. I have this Anastasia liner. I guess I'll just like keep that in here for now. But I think I took out the Urban Decay one because the Urban Decay one literally just like the cap kept falling off. And I'm replacing it with the Patrick Ta black liner that I just got. So I'm going to replace that. So I depot all my foundations into smaller things just because it's obviously better for me and my back and my makeup kit. So I depot them and I just like refilled a few of them. And I pulled the foundations because I have like a drawer pretty much with like all my foundations and just like backup stuff, which I don't really have like a lot of backup stuff. I have 2 backup items. Or I have like mascaras and stuff. I usually just bring that with me. But hold on one second. Let me just like move this because my back. Okay, so like I was saying, I depot everything for my makeup kit. And so it just makes everything so much easier. So like this is pretty much like there's literally, you could see maybe like basically like no more in there. So I just put the 3 that I'm like pretty much completely out of that I'll need to like restock on. If you follow me when I first started doing YouTube, like literally years ago, and then obviously like I stopped, I had 2 of these. Now I only have 1, which is so great because it's literally like half the size. So anyways, I have pretty much all of my foundations in here for my makeup kit that like I've depotted. There are some in there that just like have like small bottles, so I don't need it. Like those are all the Makeup Forever HD foundation sticks, which like I like them, but like I don't reach for them. I really reach for just the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and then my Face Atelier, and then I use a lot of the Dior Face and Body for like more like oily skin clients. Makeup Forever you can use on pretty much like anybody. Dior I use like, you know, for someone who, you know, is I guess a little bit more oily, and I just like prep them that way. And then I just have some backup makeup wipes. Those are all like my personal lipsticks in here. I just had to combine some drawers. I actually should probably go through them because they're all probably expired because I don't wear lipstick anymore. Backup of MAC Fix Plus. I have a backup of a MAC eyeliner that I've been really, really liking. It's just like a brown eyeliner. It's in the shade, I think it's like, I don't know. Where is it? Oh, Costa Rica or something like that. I don't think it's Costa Rica, but I have my I have my foundation palette in there as well. And then here I have all lashes for clients. I obviously don't wear false lashes anymore because I have the extensions.
So, oh, actually I need to put some, these are like my favorite for someone who likes more natural. These are just my favorite in general. These are by this makeup artist I work with a lot. Her name is Gina. I will leave her website down below. But regardless, it's basically like my backups and whatnot. And then I have like things like kind of like throughout everywhere. But a lot of the stuff in there, like on the top shelves and stuff, are like my personal stuff that I just like never use anymore. Also, it's summertime, so it's like not makeup weather. But anyways, it's 4:30. I'm gonna go stop by Walgreens to see if they have the moisturizer that I need, and then also I'm gonna pick up Winnie from daycare. I did mop and everything, so that's good. Her blankets just need to go in the dryer, which I'll just put in when she comes back. And yeah, so I guess it wasn't totally non-productive. We did some productive stuff. We just kind of cleaned up a little bit. This room is a disaster. I just need to clean my brushes for my makeup kit later, and I'll be good. But I think I just want to get Winnie just so I can get that out of the way. So if I don't see you all later, I will end the vlog here. We'll see. I might end the vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was, you know, like a little relaxing with the cleaning, but I'll see you in my next one.